morning. My name is Videvkrit. I am currently pursuing a BTech degree from Functional School of Technology, and I'm in my second semester. And in my first semester, I have done some programming languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS to intermediate level. And in this video, I am going to solve a medium level LeetCode problem because we are currently doing some DSA problems. This video is all about a medium level LeetCode problem. So let's watch this. First, let me share my screen. So the name of the problem is container with most water. So we have to first the name of the question is container with most water, and it is a medium level LeetCode problem. The problem is like you are given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of ith line are I0 and I height I. So we have been given an array of height just like in this diagram, and the number of line is n, and we have to find the line which contains the most water. So find two lines that together with x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water, and return the maximum amount of water container can store, and we cannot tilt the container. So to solve this question, we are going to have to use a two-pointer approach. We are going to move from this side and this side both simultaneously, and to find the amount of water, we are going to find the area of the smaller line and the distance between them. So to solve this, as in example 1, the height is 186254837 and the output is 47, because if you move from this side and this side simultaneously, then we will first find the area, the water can how much water can store in these two lines. So 1 into the distance between them, that much water can store, and after that we will move the side which line is smaller. So the left side is smallest, so we will move from that, and then we will find how much water can store from these two. So this is the smallest. So from the height of this line and the distance between them, we can find the area between them, and the area can represent the water stored in it. So to solve this, first let me share my code. So first the question, we have to return the value in integer data type, and we are given height as parameter, height of array of integer data type. I have made some variables, length, which is height dot length. The length of the height is stored in ln, and max is equal to 0. I used a variable max and assign a value 0 to it. Current should also be 0, and left 0, and right as length minus 1, because the first index is 0 and the last index is length minus 1. So we are going to use left and right as index, and we have to use a while loop, and the condition should be left should be smaller than right, and until this condition is true, the loop will run again and again. And in current, we are going to insert the current water stored in the lines. So first we have to find the minimum the smallest line between these two, and so that's why we are going to mat.min height left and height right. This can tell us the which of them is the smallest, height left or height right, and after that we are going to multiply the distance between them. And then how are we going to find the distance? We are subtracting the of index right minus index left, which would provide us between distance between them. After that, to find the maximum value of water, we are going to use mat.max, max and current. So each time the current value stored in max, we are going to compare it with max, which is the first 0. So at first the value of max will be assigned to max, current of the value of current will be assigned to max, and after that it will compare the value of current to max, which is greater. If the value of max will be greater, then max will not get updated. But if current will be greater, then the value of max will be assigned as the value of current will be assigned to max. And after that I have used an if condition. If height left is smaller than height right, if height left is smaller than the height right, then the index left will increase by 1, and if right left is smaller, then index right will be decreased by 1, because if we do that, then it will shift to this line to this line. If this will be smaller than this, but in this case this is smaller, then it will shift from this line to this line, and after that it should be able to find the maximum water stored in it. So we will return max, which represents the maximum water. So if we run this, it accepted our code, and if we submit it, it got submitted as well, and beat 100% of the user with Java. So the time complexity of this code is linear, and space complexity is constant. So thank you for watching this video.